Hey guys, I have a Stitch Fix to unbox today. It's been about a month since my last one. You know, I haven't had the greatest luck with Stitch Fix lately. I haven't had a 5 for 5 since maybe April. So I requested a new stylist. And I think in my note I said that I just wanted mostly tops, maybe a pair of jeans. Oliver likes my paper. And I said, you know, I don't really wear a lot of sweaters. And then, of course, last night it was 29 degrees. I live in Louisiana, so our winters are pretty mild, but we do get some cold weather. So I asked for like short sleeves, 3/4 length sleeves, maybe a sweater. Let's see. And I always keep my Pinterest board up to date with things that I'd like. So, okay, this is a new stylist. Her name's Sarah. I got a glance at some things that look good. Let's see what number fix this is. Number 9. Okay. All right, there's my envelope. Got to keep it all away from Oliver. And here is the bundle. That looks really nice. Oh. Oh, that looks, this looks better. I'm liking it already. Okay, it's a pair of jeans, light wash. Oh, with a cute little hem, unfinished hem. Oh, good. They're Pistola, like the ones I liked before, but I just didn't like the zipper hem at the bottom. So maybe these will be similar to those. They are size 4, and they have the fun distressing. I really like them. Okay. Oh my goodness, this is so, I've seen somebody get this before in their box, and I think I pinned it. So Sarah really looked at my Pinterest, it looks like. That is so cute. It's got floral on the bottom. I love combinations of stripes and florals together. And it has the twist front in the center. That is really cute. It's by Pink Clover. Okay, let's see, this is by Emory Park, and it is a very soft gray and white stripe. Let me let him out. It's gray and white stripes, very, very soft. I mean, this is the kind of thing I can just wear with jeans, with sneakers. I like that. And it's lightweight. I could put a cardigan over it on a cold day. Okay. Oh, you're back. Okay, let's see. This is by Blue Pepper. Okay, that is really pretty. I like the fall colors. It's kind of got a green with rust and cream and some lavender. Looks like it has a tab sleeve and a split neck. Very cute. And one more that I love. Another floral. Fun to Fun. Oh my goodness, this, I haven't ever seen this one before. Isn't that pretty? It's a size small. It's got, I guess, kind of like a cap sleeve. And I love that floral, and I love red, so that is really cute. Okay, well, I'll try them on. Okay, I have the first 2 items in. The jeans are by Pistola, the Westlyn Distressed Released Hem Skinny in Indigo, size 4 for $88. And they're the perfect fit. I really like these. They fit good in the waist. They're a good length. I put them on with the booties I was wearing earlier. I like the distressing that, you know, I like it when the threads kind of cover where the holes are. I don't want my skin popping through. And this is the Emory Park Dulce 3/4 sleeve Hacci knit top in gray, size small for $38. And Fits good. I like it. Nice and casual. It's got the little cross front detail, which I don't think I even have a top like that. I've seen them for a while now, but I like the stripes. So yeah, I think I might keep both of these. Okay, I have the second top on. It is by Pink Clover, the Pallas, short sleeve, not front, dark green, size small, $34. It's really cute. I love the floral and the stripe combination. And the not front, I think it's okay. Sometimes it kind of pokes out too far and adds weight, but that seems okay. I think the fit's okay. It could maybe stand to be a little bigger, but I think it's all right. Let me know what y'all think. Okay, this is the Blue Pepper Fenmore split neck top in dark green, size small, $36. The prices are really good in this fix. It's probably not a color combination I would pick out at the store, but it's cute. It's nice fall colors, although it's about to be Christmas season and winter. But it fits. I had to fiddle with the sleeves for a while. It's that type where it's probably going to want to kind of come unrolled. And it's just when you let the tab down, it's just like a regular sleeve. There's no cuff. So I'll have to think about this one. Okay, the last top, it's my favorite. Well, I love the print. It's the Fun to Fun Walden split neck blouse in red, size small, $38. I do love the color in the print. It's so pretty. I do think the sleeves are a little awkward. You know, those cap sleeves. They kind of hit at an awkward spot. But other than that, I love it. I was trying to find a cardigan in my closet that would work with it. I don't have like a cream. I think a cream color would look nice, or even like maybe a shade of green. It's got an olive green, so that would be nice. But I think like these lines maybe are black. And I got this a couple of boxes ago, which is kind of like black and gray heathered. So tell me if does that look okay together? Okay, let's do the recap. And I wanted to point out, I think one reason I like this fix so much is because Sarah really paid attention to the colors on my Pinterest board. I mean, I've been getting some kind of drab fixes with dark colors, and my Pinterest board is full of like bright colors and like this red. And she says, after admiring all the gorgeous color on your Pinterest board, I was able to send the Pink Clover knot front top that I saw you had pinned, and I also sent a bright red blouse. The prices are really good in this fix. The subtotal is $234. The buy all discount 25% is $58.50. That's a subtotal of $175.50, and minus my styling fee brings it down to $155.50. So if I like these jeans, which I do, they're $88 by themselves. So for like another $67, I can get the 4 tops. So it might be a 5 for 5, but I'd love to hear your comments and see what y'all think. I like everything. I especially like the red top. This is so comfy. I know I'd wear this a lot. This is okay. I think I would wear it. I mean, it's a floral. And this is really cute. I'm not sure how it looked on me, but it's cute. It would be a great fall top, like especially, of course October's already passed, but like we have such warm weather in October, and I like to try to wear short sleeves that look like fall colors. So that would be good. Thanks for watching today. If you liked this video, hit the thumbs up button, and if you want to see more, subscribe below, and let me know If you have any favorites of what I should keep, if you think it's a 5 for 5, I'd love to hear your thoughts.